Oh. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Kayla. I'm back again with another video, man. For this one, I'll be reacting to DK4L, De'Ara and Ken slime prank on De'Ara. I haven't seen this video yet. Let me know how you guys felt about it down in the comment section, man. Original video will be in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go check that out. And let's get a laugh, man. Let's get a laugh. I love DK4L.
What up, DK gang? So as you
What up, DK gang?
Right now, I'm scared, shaking scared because I'm about to cross a forbidden line right now. If you guys read that title, then you know I'm about to do something very, very extreme. Something that I didn't see myself doing.
I didn't see myself doing this.
So this is just pure revenge right now. This is
but I have to.
For all of DK gang, all of Team Ken to celebrate, because right now we are about to kill Team DK. You guys remember the Fortnite prank, right? It was cute until she put the mayonnaise on my mouth. She crossed that forbidden line because she know I hate mayonnaise. She knows it. All bets are off. Just like you guys seen in the thumbnail, I'm about to go after De'Ara's one of the most prized possessions, which is her hair. I'm nervous, very, very nervous. I'm breathing hard, all of this stuff, but it's all good because Team Ken, we never lose.
Team Ken, stand up.
We can't go out like that. Not on that Fortnite break. It's cool. So right now, De'Ara is at her doctor's appointment. It's kind of early. Expecting her to be home around an hour. Good thing about Teslas, they have an app. We never use the app, but they have an app where you can actually track the car.
They have an app.
I'm gonna figure out when De'Ara's home, coming home, all of this good stuff. Right now, I'm about to sit here and make the slime because that's what I'm gonna use for De'Ara's hair. And I'm really nervous because slime is very, very, very hard to get out of your hair and very hard to get out of your clothes. I'm nervous, scared because I ain't trying to mess up our floors, but that's okay. When De'Ara, my plan is I'm gonna set up a tripod right here in front of the door, like literally, blank right in the open, right in front of the door. Once I see De'Ara coming through, I'm gonna be hiding behind the door. The way our door set up, it doesn't just fling open. It's actually pretty hard to open. So she's probably just gonna push it barely open.
Nah, they got one of them heavy doors.
I expect her to see the camera. She's gonna get very, very nervous because she's not gonna know what's about to happen. And then that's when I pop, dunk this entire.
She's gonna freak out. She might break something. She might hurt somebody.
Slime is complete, and look at how gooey this is. I might actually have to add more water. This here looks
that looks pretty good to me.
Super gooey. And we ain't trying to mess up her hair into where she got to cut it. Ain't no telling what De'Ara might do after that. So, this is
ain't no telling.
Mixing with the water. We just gonna have to work with this. Even though this looks like a bad idea, but this is gonna have to work. Let's do this. I'm really nervous. Let's do this, Team Ken.
Dang, he went all over.
Hello. Turn it off. Play again.
I'm about to pick you up some sticky dinner on the way back.
Okay, nah, I'm good. I think I already ate Chick-fil-A.
You need to eat some Chick-fil-A.
I ordered it. Postmates.
Postmates. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, I'll see you when you go. Alright, guys, so it's about to be game time. Hello? Hello?
You ain't saying you love me.
Oh, I love you, man.
Oh my God.
Team Ken.
You didn't say you loved her, Ken. Come on, man.
From what I see on the app, she's close. She's around the corner. So I hope you guys are ready. Because I'm ready. Let's do this.
There she go, there she go.
Oh my gosh!
Ken. It's on that purse. Why she standing like this? She froze, man.
Do you see my purse? So I'm guessing you're gonna buy me another one, right?
Right?
Explain to me how it's gonna come out my purse.
You want me another purse? You gonna buy me some more hair?
Ooh, I ain't laughing. Do it look like I'm laughing? Ken, why would you do that?
Can't believe it.
Now clean this up.
Oh
Ken, for real, no.
Ken, you tripping, my guy. You tripping.
Freaking broke my nail.
It's Team Ken, but you
This
tripping.
is just revenge. This is why you shouldn't put mayonnaise on me.
Ken, please tell me it's gonna come out. Please, okay? Like, I don't care about nothing else, but it's gonna come out.
It's just slime.
No, it ain't just no slime. Shut up! You ain't never got stuff on your name.
Oh my God.
Can you say Team Ken?
No. I don't think it's coming out. No.
Oh my goodness.
Man, for real. Look, this is gonna come out. Oh my gosh.
Hey, that's not even that
It's in
bad.
my hair. It's in my hair. Go!
Is it coming off?
No. Look, it's slimy. It's not coming off.
Well, you still got to say Team Ken. Hey,
Ken hair lit.
Okay, so what if this does not come out? Do you see this? Do you see? Do you see?
I see.
Just so you do you see?
You can just.
Do you see?
You can just cut your hair.
Ooh, I'm not cutting my hair. No, this better come out. Period point blank.
All right, guys. So
Take a shower.
Team Ken has came back with a vicious prank. Man, I need you to say Team
Oh
Ken.
my God. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this slime prank on De'Ara. It was super funny. Let me know how you guys felt about it down in the comment section, man. Original video will be in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go check that out. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video, man. Peace.
Niggas be talking, they ain't about that action. Bet when they see me, ain't nothing gon' happen. 6 bitches hop in the Beamer, no capping. 4-seater coupe, so I had on my lap. Used to be broke, used to sleep on the floor. I just dropped 40 racks at the store.